Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. If you've ever wondered if there's a toothbrush head that can really take your oral hygiene game up a notch, this might just be the answer you're looking for. We all know that keeping your teeth and gums healthy goes beyond just brushing. It's about using the right tools. Today, we're going to take a close look at the Oral-B Precision Clean Replacement Brush Heads for Oral-B Electric Toothbrushes. Let's see if these really live up to the hype. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another honest beauty review from us. Now, let's get into it. These replacement brush heads are designed to fit most Oral-B electric toothbrush models, including the Pro, Smart, and Genius series. Though, just a heads up, they're not compatible with the IO series. You get 2 brush heads in the pack, and they promise some serious cleaning power. According to the product description, these brush heads remove up to 400% more plaque along the gum line compared to a manual toothbrush. That's a pretty bold claim, but is it true? The Precision Clean brush head is designed with a round shape, inspired by dental professional tools. This rounded design allows for a tooth-by-tooth clean, with specially engineered bristles that offer optimal coverage. It's a design that's supposed to give you that professional-level clean at home, which is exactly what we all want from our electric toothbrushes, right? During my testing, I found that the Precision Clean head definitely delivered a solid clean, especially around the gum line where plaque tends to build up. The brush felt gentle on my teeth, but it was effective at removing buildup, and I didn't experience any discomfort during or after brushing. I also appreciated the indicator bristles, which faded to let me know when it was time to replace the head. It's a great feature for maintaining good oral hygiene practices, and I love when a product reminds you to stay on track. Now, when it comes to performance, these brush heads really did live up to their claims. After about a week of use, I noticed a fresher feel in my mouth after every brushing. Compared to some store-brand replacements I've used in the past, the Oral-B Precision Clean heads did feel like they offered more thorough cleaning, and I noticed less plaque buildup over time. So, if you're someone who struggles with plaque or needs a little extra gumline care, these could be a game changer. However, like all products, they do come with a few things to keep in mind. First off, I did find the bristles to be a bit firmer than some other options, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it might take a couple of days to get used to if you've been using softer heads. The other small downside is that the price per head can add up, especially if you replace your brush head every 3 months, as recommended by dentists. But that being said, they do last longer than some store brands, around 13 weeks of use versus the 4 weeks you might get from a generic replacement. So in the long run, the quality might justify the price. In terms of value for money, I'd say that the Oral-B Precision Clean heads are a solid investment for anyone looking to maintain or improve their oral hygiene routine. They're a little pricier than some alternatives, but you're paying for a brand that is trusted by dentists worldwide, and that's something that's hard to overlook. Plus, the fact that these last longer than some other options really helps balance out the cost. If you're looking for a similar brush head at a lower price, there are other good options out there, but they might not offer the same durability or the professional grade clean that Oral-B does. You could consider other generic electric toothbrush heads, but just remember, when it comes to oral hygiene, sometimes it's worth investing a little extra for the best results. As for build quality, these heads feel durable. The materials used are solid, and the overall design is simple yet effective. The brush heads fit snugly on the handle and feel secure, so no issues there. The packaging is straightforward, and they're easy to replace, nothing complicated about it. Now for my final thoughts. These Oral-B Precision Clean replacement heads do deliver on their promises. They remove plaque efficiently, they're gentle on gums, and they last longer than many generic options. They're ideal for anyone who's serious about their oral health and wants a professional-level clean at home. If you're someone who prioritizes quality and performance in your oral care routine, I definitely recommend giving these a try. Thanks for watching today's review, and if you want to grab these replacement heads for yourself, check the link in the description or the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts if you've tried these already, so drop a comment and share your experiences with me. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.